Shah Rukh Khan is getting his superstarry treatment. Well, after having feasted over some fish fry post SRK's KKR win at IPL 7, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has now altered her official Bengal tour scheduled to felicitate Kolkata Knight Riders on their second Indian Premier League triumph at the Eden Gardens this Tuesday. Yes, we hear that in a series of Facebook posts and tweets. Banerjee congratulated the Knights for their victory in Sunday's nail-biting final and announced a felicitation program on public demand. Now, isn't that awesome? Organized by the state government and Cricket Association of Bengal in association with Kolkata Police, Mamata Banerjee officially quoted, "The people deserve to celebrate." Sound off your comments and stay tuned to Movies Adda for more updates.